How to create your own character on Character.ai. First, open the Character.ai app and sign into your account. Next, look for the Create button or the plus icon and tap it. Then select the option to create a character. Now enter a name for your character. Choose a name that matches the personality or purpose of your AI character. Next, add a profile picture if you want. Then write a short description explaining who your character is and how it should behave. Then tap Next. You can also customize the character's greeting and personality instructions. These details help Character.ai understand how you want your character to respond during conversations. After entering, tap Next. Once you're happy with the settings, choose your preferred visibility option, such as public or private if available. Then tap Next for final section. Finally, tap Create or Save. Your custom AI character will now be available in your Character.ai account. That's it. You've successfully created your own Character.ai character. If this tutorial helped, like this video and subscribe for more Character.ai tutorials, AI tips, and Android guides.